going to talk all about short vowels. Short vowels. Now I'm really tall, like really tall. I'm 188 centimeters or 6'2". Oh my gosh, I'm really tall. I come from a tall family and these are short vowels, but it's a totally different kind of short, okay? It's not like short in height. It's short in sound, okay? Short vowels sound like this. When we're talking about A, E, I, O, and U, they sound like A, E, I, Repeat after me. A, E, I, Perfect. You're doing great. We're going to practice these a lot, okay? So short vowels are the normal vowel sound for most vowels that you see when you're reading along. However, there are also long vowels, which we will talk about in another video. And long vowels sound like A, E, I, O, U, just like their name. But we'll talk about long vowels in another video. Short vowels are what we're going to focus on now. These are the vowels that come up in words like cat, let, fit, pop, cup. These are the short vowels. Okay, I'm going to give you several different rules to talk about short vowels so that you know how to recognize them and then know how to pronounce them. I know a lot of you have a difficult time with short vowels because a lot of them sound the same to you, especially E and I. They're very different in our ears, but I know it's difficult for a lot of you. So we're going to talk about them and then practice them a lot so you feel really comfortable, okay? So, the first rule I want to share with you is that short vowels are usually the sound that is made when there is one vowel in a syllable and there's only one syllable in the word. So for example, and. There's only one syllable and there's only one vowel in the word. And so that vowel is short. And, a. Okay? Another example is the word on, off. One syllable, one vowel. And so, bam, you have the short O. Okay? Yeah, so let's talk about the next rule. The next rule is if you see a longer word and there's a vowel, and then after that comes two consonants, then the vowel will be short. Let me give you some examples, okay? I know you're confused, but let me help you. Let's look at the word winning. Winning. W-I-N-N-I-N-G. So there's an I, W-I, and then there are two consonants, a double consonant after the vowel. And so because there are two, the vowel right before it is short. So it's not whining, it's winning because there's a double consonant. Let me give you another example. Gripped. To grip something means to hold tightly. So gripped is spelled G-R-I-P-P-E-D. We have two P's. And so the consonant or the vowel before the double consonant is short. So it should be gripped. Gripped. Okay? It's great. If it was G-R-I-P-E-D with only one P, that makes it long. Griped. I. We'll talk about that next time. Okay, another rule about short vowels is if you see a vowel and then CK, a vowel and then CK, then it's going to be short. Let's look at the word duck. Quack, quack, quack. You know, the animal duck. Or duck can also mean to duck down, to bend down. But duck is a single vowel followed by CK. And so the U makes the short sound. It's a great rule. So so here's the trick. If you only see a K, so think about the word liking. He is liking that guitar. Liking, it's L-I-K-I-N-G. There's no C in front of the K, and so that makes it a long vowel. But L-I-C-K-I-N-G is licking. Licking. It's a short vowel because there's a CK. All right, so next, to watch the full lesson and join my Clear English Pronunciation course, go to studywithandrea.com/speak. If you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click here. And if you want to watch another preview of a lesson, click here.